Today we are in Orange County at the market at Grelen. I am joined by Dan and Leslie. You guys are the owners. Thank you so much for having me this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Appreciate you coming.
So this is the perfect destination for outdoor lovers, a beautiful nature-esque backdrop. So I want to learn all about the market at Grelen. Tell me all about it, what people can expect when they drive up.
So we designed the market at Grelen to be an experience. You drive up, the drive in is beautiful. We've had a lot of people compare our views to Napa because the nursery is all set on the contour, so it's quite beautiful. We have a 1,000-acre tree nursery, so the market is actually set on the nursery, and you have tons of options. You can sit on the patio, enjoy our cafe. We have a farm-to-table cafe that also serves Virginia beer, wine, and cider. And then we have a garden shop that has, of course, all the plants, but also has tons of fun gifts and things like that. Pick Your Own is available starting usually about mid-May into October. So we start with berries, we go to peaches, we have all sorts of fruit to pick. So it's really a wonderful place to come and unplug. As I told you earlier, we do not allow our Wi-Fi to be shared. This is on purpose, so people will actually sit and enjoy each other and just absorb the beauty of nature and unplug.
Yes, and I feel like coming from DC, it's really important to get away and enjoy nature to its fullest. So speaking of nature and the outdoors, tell me about some of the perks of the outdoors here in Orange County and at the market.
There's so much to do in Orange County, whether you're hiking the trails from here to Montpelier, or if you're jumping out of a plane in a parachute, or if you're golfing, or if you want to ride horseback. All those things are offered here in Orange County. So I mean, people can come here and spend the day, the weekend, or the week. For history buffs, you can come to visit Montpelier, which is on the other side of this mountain. You can hike there from here. That's where the Constitution was written. You can also, if you're a Civil War buff, there's Civil War battlefields throughout the county. And then if you're a wine enthusiast, well, there are wineries throughout the county, and two of the oldest ones in the state are here in Orange County within about 5 miles of us. One is Barbersville Vineyard, the other is Horton Vineyards. They were both instrumental in the development of the wine industry here in Orange County, or here in the state of Virginia, actually. People come here for an hour and they stay the day. They tell Leslie that, like, thank you for creating this spot. It's so special. We sit down and we listen to silence. Listen to silence. There's nothing here. There are no horns. There are no sirens. You might hear a train in the passing. You'll hear birds chirping as you hear this morning. But it's a really special spot. And I'd like to say that Orange County, I can say with confidence that Orange County is a place to come visit. If your viewers come here and they spend a weekend here, they will come back again because there's just so much to do here.
Well, Orange County has no shortage of things to do in nature and the outdoors. I am now standing at the new boat launch here just outside of Historic Germanna, and I'm joined by the executive director. Jennifer, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
So this is so exciting. You live in Orange County. Tell me, what is your favorite part about the area?
The greatest thing about Orange is that we're really proud of our natural, our cultural, our historic resources, and we do everything that we possibly can to make sure that they are available for the residents and for people visiting.
And this boat launch is a huge plus for the area, public boat launch. Tell me all about it, how people can access it.
Right, so you go to Historic Germanna. We're located right next to the Germanna Community College, and there is a pathway. It's 756 feet, and people can drop off their non-motorized watercraft. So your kayaks, your paddleboards, your canoes can all go down this brand new boat launch. And then you park back up at the Visitors Center and enjoy your trek down the Rapidan River.
Jennifer, this boat launch is incredible. It seems like the perfect spot for families to come this summer, take a dip in the river. You guys have done an incredible job here. And in Orange County, all of itself, I mean, it's the perfect spot for adventurers, for historians, for wine lovers, really something for everyone. So Jennifer, thank you so much for joining me, and I hope everyone gets to come out and enjoy the boat launch for themselves.
Thank you.